अब इन सभी आइडेंटिटीज को प्रूव करना है. प्रूव दैट cot पाई अपॉन 4 माइनस 2 cot इनवर्स 3 इक्वल्स टू 7. तो यहाँ इसे प्रूव करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम 2 cot इनवर्स 3 let 2 cot inverse 3 equals to theta. Then cot inverse 3 equals to theta upon 2 implies cot theta upon 2 equals to 3. Cot theta upon 2 equals to 3 means tan theta upon 2 equals to 1 upon 3. Tan theta equals to 2 tan theta upon 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta upon 2. This equals to 2 into 1 upon 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 9. That is 2 upon 3 into 9 minus 1, 8 into 9. 3 3 ja 9, 2 4 ja 8, 3 upon 4. Theta equals to tan inverse 3 upon 4 means cot inverse 4 upon 3. That is this theta equals to cot inverse 4 upon 3. मीन्स 2 cot इनवर्स 3 के जगह पे हम लिख सकते हैं cot इनवर्स 4 upon 3. तो एक्सप्रेशन हो जाएगा cot ऑफ पाई बाई 4 माइनस 2 cot इनवर्स 3 इक्वल्स टू हो जाएगा cot ऑफ पाई अपॉन 4 माइनस cot इनवर्स 4 upon 3. cot a माइनस बी का फॉर्मूला लगा दो इक्वल्स टू cot a cot b cot पाई अपॉन 4 माइनस cot ऑफ cot इनवर्स 4 upon 3 अपॉन cot ऑफ cot इनवर्स 4 upon 3 सॉरी यहाँ cot a cot b means multiplied by plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a cot pi upon 4. This equals to cot pi upon 4 1 into cot inverse 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 upon 3 minus 1. That is, this is plus 1. Therefore, this is 7 upon 3 upon 3 equals to 7. The result is proved. Second problem है 2 tan inverse minus 3 equals to minus pi upon 2 plus tan inverse minus 4 upon 3. We have to prove it. Then first we take 2 tan inverse minus 3 equals to theta. Then tan theta upon 2 equals to minus 3 means tan theta equals to 2 tan theta upon 2 means 2 into minus 3 upon 1 minus tan square theta upon 2 means minus 3 square 9. This will become minus 6 upon minus 8. Minus will be cancelled out and 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8 equals to 3 upon 4. means theta equals to tan inverse 3 upon 4. Then theta equals to tan inverse 3 upon 4 means cot inverse 4 upon 3. Implies cot theta equals to 4 upon 3. Cot theta can be written as tan pi by 2 minus theta equals to 4 upon 3. Or we can write here minus tan pi by 2 minus theta equals to minus 4 upon 3. Tan of minus theta equals to minus tan theta. So minus tan theta can be written as tan of minus tan theta. So tan theta minus pi by 2 equals to minus 4 upon 3. This implies theta minus pi by 2 equals to tan inverse minus 4 upon 3, or theta equals to pi upon 2 plus tan inverse minus 4 upon 3. This is wrong here. This is positive side, not minus. Then hence proved theta equals to 2 tan inverse minus 3, and theta is also equals to pi upon 2 plus tan inverse of minus 4 upon 3. Therefore, this is proved 2 tan inverse minus 3 equals to pi upon 2 plus tan inverse minus 4 upon 3. Next problem is 2 cos 2 tan inverse 1 upon 7 equals to sin 4 tan inverse 1 upon 3. For this purpose, we can use formula for 2 tan inverse x. We know that two tan inverse x equals to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, and equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Now 2 tan inverse x equals to this much. Then 4 tan inverse x equals to 4 tan inverse x equals to 2 into 2 tan inverse x equals to 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. And this can be written as sin inverse 2 into 2x upon 1 plus x square is square root 1 minus 4x square upon 1 plus x square whole square. This can be written as sin inverse 4x upon 1 plus x square, and here 1 plus x square whole square minus 4x square. It means 1 minus x square whole square. Means 1 minus x square will remain here. Then this much will be the value of in sine form 4 tan inverse x. Now left hand side, is cos of 2 tan inverse 1 upon 7. equals to cos of 2 tan inverse 1 upon 7. 2 tan inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So cos of cos inverse 1 minus x square means 1 upon 49 upon 1 plus x square 1 upon 49. This equals to 49 minus 1, 48 upon 49 into 49 plus 1, 50 upon 49. 49, 49 will be cancelled out. 48 upon 50. 2 to the 4 to 4 jai 24 upon 2, 25 jai 50. 24 upon 25. Right hand side equals to sine of 4 tan inverse 1 upon 3. 4 tan inverse x equals to sine inverse 4x upon 1 plus x. 4x into 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Means this equals to sine of sine inverse 4x. 4 into 1 upon 3 into 1 minus x square. 1 minus 1 upon 9 upon 1 plus x square. 1 plus 1 upon 9. That is, this equals to 9 1 ja 9, 9 minus 1, 8. 4 into 8 upon 3 into 9. 4 into 8 upon 3 into 9. 9 1 ja 9 plus 1, 10 upon 9 into 10 upon 9. 9 9 will be cancelled out. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 8 2 ja 16, 16 upon 5 3 ja 15. But this is a square here. 1 plus x square whole square means 9 plus 10, 10 upon 9 whole square means ऊपर 9 into 9 और नीचे into 10 means 16 into 9 upon 15 into 10. 3 5 ja 15, 3 3 ja 9 and 2 5 ja 10, 2 8 ja 16. This equals to 8 3 ja 24 upon 5 5 ja 25 equals to left hand side. Hand put. Next problem is tan inverse square root 1 plus x square plus square root 1 minus x square upon square root 1 plus x square minus square root 1 minus x square equals to pi upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 cos inverse x square. इसे लाने के लिए सबसे पहले यहाँ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एक्स स्क्वायर की जगह अगर cos 2 थीटा रख दें तो इसे हम कोई रूप दे सकते हैं. तो यहाँ लेट tan इनवर्स स्क्वायर रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. लेट x equals to cos 2 theta. X square equals to cos 2 theta. Then 1 plus x square equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 1 plus 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 1 will be cancelled out equals to 2 cos square theta. And 1 minus x square equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta. 1 1 will be cancelled out. This equals to 2 sin square theta. Now putting these values in this equation, we find that tan inverse root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta upon root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta. Here 1 plus x square means 2 cos square theta, square root of cos square theta is cos theta, and square root of 2 is written as square root 2. Same here and same here. Now this equals to, this can also be written as tan inverse 1 upon root 2 cos theta plus 1 upon root 2 sin theta upon 1 upon root 2 cos theta minus 1 upon root 2 sin theta. This root 2 as is taken as denominator of denominator portion, and this root 2 has been taken as denominator of numerator portion. Now this 1 upon root 2 means sin pi by 4. Here 1 upon root 2 means cos pi by 4. This can be written as tan inverse sin pi by 4 cos theta plus cos pi by 4 sin theta upon cos pi by 4, this 1 upon root 2, use cos pi by 4 at this place, cos theta minus sin pi by 4 sin theta. This has become sin A cos B plus cos A sin B upon cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Numerator portion is sin pi by 4 plus theta, and denominator portion is cos pi by 4 plus theta. Means this is tan inverse sin pi by 4 plus theta upon cos pi by 4 plus theta. This equals to tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus theta. This equals to pi by 4 plus theta. And theta is here. X square equals to cos 2 theta. Then 2 theta equals to cos inverse x square. X square equals to cos theta. We have taken cos 2 theta. Then 2 theta equals to cos inverse x square. And theta equals to, implies theta equals to 1 upon 2 cos inverse x square. Therefore, this can be written as equals to pi upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 cos inverse x square. That is right hand side. Therefore, tan inverse this equals to pi upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 cos inverse x square. Next problem is sin inverse 8 upon 7 sin inverse 8 upon 7 plus sin inverse 3 upon 5 equals to sin inverse 77 upon 85. To prove this, first we consider, let sin inverse 8 upon 7 plus sin inverse 3 upon 5 equals to theta. Taking sine of both sides, we get sine of sine inverse 8 upon 7 plus sine inverse 3 upon 5 equals to sine theta. Sine A plus B, sine A cos B, sine of sine inverse 8 upon 7 cos of sine inverse 3 upon 5 plus cos A sine B, cos of sine inverse 8 upon 7 sine B, sine of sine inverse 3 upon 5. Now this equals to sine theta. Yes, sine of sine inverse 8 upon 7 means 8 upon 7. Cos of sine inverse 3 upon 5. Sine inverse 3 upon 5 can be written as cos inverse square root 1 minus 9 upon 25. Cos inverse square root 1 minus x square. Here this will become square root 1 minus 9 upon 25 plus cos of sine inverse 8 upon 7. This will be square root 1 minus 64 upon 49. Sine of sine inverse 3 upon 5 means 3 upon 5. This equals to sine theta. Means sine theta equals to eight upon 7 into 25 minus 9, 16. Square root 16, 4 upon square root 25, 5 plus 49 minus 64. 49 minus 64, that is, sorry friends, this is 8 upon 17 here. 8 upon 17 here. 17 here. Upon 17 here. And here 864 upon 17. 17 square of 17 is 289. 289 minus 64. कितना होगा यहाँ पे? 9 minus 4 5. 8 minus 6 2. And 2. Square root 225 upon 17. Into 3 upon 5. That is 8 4 jar 32. 17 5 jar 85 plus square root 225, that is 15 upon 17 into 3 upon 5. 5 1 jar 5, 5 3 jar 15, or just leave it. Don't cancel, because 17 5 jar 85 will remain here as the denominator, and this will be 32 plus 45 upon 85. That is 5 to 7, 4 3 7, 77 upon 85. Sin theta equals to 77 upon 85. It means theta equals to sin inverse 77 upon 85. And this theta is this expression. Sin inverse 8 upon 17 plus sin inverse 3 upon 5. That's proved. Next problem is sin inverse 5 upon 13 plus cos inverse 3 upon 5 equals to tan inverse 63 upon 16. Let sin inverse 5 upon 13 plus cos inverse 3 upon 5 equals to theta. Then sin inverse 5 upon 13. Sin inverse 5 upon 13. Then this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Then base will be square root 13 square minus 5 square. 13 square minus 5 square, that is 12 square, means 12. So base will be 12. Therefore, sin inverse 5 upon 13 can be written as tan inverse 5 upon 12 plus cos inverse 3 upon 5. 3 is base, 5 is hypotenuse. Then base will be 4. Therefore, this can be written as tan inverse 4 upon 3 equals to theta. Taking tan of both the sides. Tan inverse 5 upon 12 plus tan inverse 4 upon 3 equals to tan theta. Expanding tan A plus B, tan A, tan of tan inverse 5 upon 12 plus tan of tan inverse 4 upon 3 upon 1 minus tan A tan B, tan of tan inverse 5 upon 12 into tan of tan inverse 4 upon 3 equals to tan theta. It means tan theta equals to tan of tan inverse 5 upon 12 means 5 upon 12 will remain here, plus tan of tan inverse 4 upon 3, 4 upon 3 will remain here, upon 1 minus tan of tan inverse 5 upon 12 means 5 upon 12 into 4 upon 3. That is, this is, if we multiply 4, then 16 upon 12, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 upon 12 into here 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9, 9 minus 5 4, 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9. Here this is 9. 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9, means tan theta equals to 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 63 upon 4 4 ja 16. It means theta equals to tan inverse 63 upon 16, which is right hand side. Tan inverse 63 upon 16. Now, next problem is tan inverse 1 upon 4 plus tan inverse 2 upon 9 equals to sin inverse 1 upon root 5. Then let tan inverse 1 upon 4 plus tan inverse 2 upon 9 equals to theta. Here we have to find out this value in sin inverse form. Then we have to change this tan inverse in sin inverse. This also in sin inverse. In this case, here, this is perpendicular, this is base. Therefore hypotenuse will be square root 1 plus 4 square. Means 16 plus 1 is square root 17. Then this will be sin inverse perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Plus here perpendicular is 2, base is 9. Then hypotenuse will be square root 4, 2 square plus 9 square. 9 square 81, 2 square 4, square root 85. This is sin inverse 2 upon square root 85 equals to theta. Taking sine of both sides, this will be sine inverse 1 upon square root 17 plus sine inverse 2 upon square root 85 equals to sin theta. Sin A plus B. Sin A, so sine of sin inverse 1 upon root 17, 1 upon root 17 into cos B. cos b. So cos of sin inverse this much. Therefore cos of cos inverse is square root 1 minus square of this. Means square root 1 minus 4 upon 85. Plus cos of sin inverse 1 upon square root 7. It is square root 1 minus 1 upon 17 into sine of sin inverse 2 upon square root 85, means 2 upon square root 85 equals to sine theta. This implies sine theta equals to 85 minus 4 square root 81. Square root 81 means 9. 9 upon square root 17 into square root 85 plus 17 minus 1 16. Square root 16 means 4. 4 to the 8. 8 upon square root 17 square root 85. 9 plus 8 17 upon here square root 17 square root 85 can be written as square root 17 into square root 5, means square root 17 into square root 17, that is 17 square root 5. 17 will be cancelled out. Theta equals to sine inverse 1 upon square root 5, which is right hand side.